In this video, you'll learn how to increase the item quantity on your eBay listing. By following these steps, you will ensure that your inventory reflects your available stock, which helps maintain buyer trust and prevents order cancellations. Begin by logging into your seller hub. Once you are on the main dashboard, navigate to the Listings section, which is typically found in the menu on the left side. Here, you will see all your active listings displayed. Locate the specific listing for which you want to increase the quantity. Next to the listing title, click on the Edit option. Before proceeding, ensure that the listing format you are using supports multiple quantities. It is essential to review your current stock levels to avoid overselling. After entering the listing editor page, look for the quantity field. This field is where you will enter the updated number that reflects your available inventory. Carefully input the new quantity, ensuring accurately matches your physical stock. If your listing includes variations, make sure to update the quantity for each variation as needed. Take a moment to review your shipping settings as well to confirm that they remain correct. Properly reviewing these details helps reduce potential order fulfillment errors. Once you've made the necessary updates, find the Save or Revise Listing button, usually located at the bottom or top of the editor page. Click this button to apply your changes. After saving, it is important to confirm that the new quantity appears correctly on the live listing page. You can do this by navigating back to your listing section and checking the updated listing. This verification step ensures that your changes have been successfully implemented. Regularly monitoring your inventory is crucial to keeping your listings accurate. Whenever your stock levels change, be sure to adjust the quantities in your eBay listings accordingly. This practice not only maintains updated listings, but also enhances buyer trust, as customers are less likely to experience cancellations due to stock issues. Keeping your inventory in sync with your listings is key to a smooth selling experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.